Hello, I am Sadek Ahmed. Today we show you 6 high-speed cars away from picturing. Welcome. Number 6 Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus 304 miles per hour. In August 2019, Bugatti topped the reigning Hennessy Venom F5. More on that in a few. Not only that, but the Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus also became the first car to break 300 miles per hour on the track. The final record was 304.773 miles per hour, with Ricky Driver and Wolake on the Volkswagen era Lyceum test track in Germany. If that is hard to comprehend, that is because it is imagine being able to cover 450 feet in a single second. Bugatti holds the crown for now, but the manufacturer may pull out of the race. We have shown several times that we build the fastest cars in the world. In the future, we will focus on the other areas, the manufacturer said in a statement. Number 5 Hennessy Venom F5 301 miles per hour climate. Hennessy Performance Engineering previously owned the top spot of this list with its Venom F5. The successor to the record-setting Venom GT, the F5 has a theoretical and climate top speed of 301 miles per hour, besting the next fastest cars by a solid margin. The Venom F5 utilizes a carbon fiber chassis and is powered by a 7.4-liter twin turbocharged V8 good for 1,600 horsepower. While Hennessy has yet to legitimize its claims, the F5 will be reportedly dash from 0 to 249 miles per hour and back to 0 in less than 30 seconds. That is about how long it takes a mild sporty car just to get from 0 to 100 miles per hour. Number 4 AAC Toyota 300 miles per hour climate. It has been 7 years since we heard from AAC when the American specialty vehicle manufacturer announced a successor to its ultimate Euro hypercar. At the time, AAC claimed the upcoming Toyota would hit 265 miles per hour, but when the company revealed its production intent model at this year's concourse, the agency the figure in question had risen to 300 miles per hour. Derived from a Nelson Racing engine's twin turbocharged V8, the Toyota's 5.9-liter flat-plane crank engine is capable of 1,750 horsepower when it runs E85. Fuel power is routed to rear wheels via a 7-speed automated manual gearbox. This much power combined with the car's Euro-optimized body should get AAC into the history books. The only question remaining is whether Hennessy or Koenigsegg will hit the 300 miles per hour milestone fast. Number 3 Koenigsegg Agera RS 278 miles per hour. If you are only interested in proven claims, then the world's fastest cars list officially starts here with the Koenigsegg Agera RS, while Hennessy's Venom F5 claims it can do over 300 miles per hour. Koenigsegg has actually demonstrated its Agera RS can put down on average top speed of 278 miles per hour. How did she Swedish automaker in its stripes? On November 4, 2017, the Nevada Department of Transportation closed on 11-mile stretch of road just outside Las Vegas. Koenigsegg turned up with a customer-owned Agera RS and the Koenigsegg factory driver Niklas Lilja put down two high-speed runs in opposing directions. The average pace, including One run at 285 miles per hour was recorded by the Guinness Book of the World Records. Number 2. Hennessy Venom GT 270 miles per hour. When Koenigsegg set a new official top speed record, Hennessy forfeited the title. The Hennessy Venom GT came out of nowhere to topple the mighty Bugatti Veyron. In 2014, Hennessy refilled a Lotus-based Frankenstein supercar with a 7.0-liter twin-turbo V8 and 1,244 horsepower. Until that moment, the Texas-based Tana had merely modified performance cars, but this was the company's first stand-alone build. With approval from the Kennedy Space Center, Hennessy recorded a top speed of 270.4 miles per hour, though the Guinness Book of World Records approved the run. It has received a fair bit of criticism for one most top speed records are taken from an average of 2 runs in opposite directions like Koenigsegg did with the Agera RS. Also, the Venom GT is a handy-built low-production vehicle. Some have questioned whether it deserves to be counted among the serious production cars. Number 1. Bugatti Veyron Super Sporty 268 miles per hour. Before Hennessy and the Koenigsegg jumped into the top speed fray, Bugatti dominated the world's fastest category. Unlike its upstart rivals, Bugatti benefited from the massive cash reserves of its parent company Volkswagen. A tremendous investment of time and resources yielded the Bugatti Veyron in 2005. The $1.7 million Veyron utilized a quad-turbocharged W16 engine to deliver 1,001 horsepower to all four wheels. Impressive as it was, the 250 miles per hour Veyron was soon thumped by the 256 miles per hour WAC Ultimate Aero. Bugatti went back to the drawing board and returned with the Veyron Super Sport. An impressive 1,200 horsepower and a slew of aerodynamic improvements helped the Super Sport to a top speed of 268 miles per hour, collected at Volkswagen's Era Lyceum test track. Bugatti also developed a convertible version dubbed the Grande Sport Vitesse, which still holds the record for the fastest open-top production car at 254 miles per hour.